Welcome to MBBS Council. Many requested how many Karnataka students got MBBS seat in All India Counselling. In this video, we will see how many Karnataka students took All India Counselling seats. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. If you need expert guidance to get best medical college within budget for your NEET score, contact admission helpline 044 4631 3330. 60 Karnataka students took MBBS seat in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. 24 picked JIPMER. Most of them are expected to join through All India allotment. 157 candidates picked All India quota seats from Karnataka medical colleges and 54 took in other states. Karnataka having the most number of good deemed university medical colleges, 479 Karnataka students picked seats under the management quota. 148 picked management quota seats in other state deemed universities. Total of 972 MBBS seats were picked by Karnataka candidates through All India Counselling. Karnataka candidates who picked top Karnataka government medical colleges are more likely to join the allotted college. 25 MBBS seats were picked from Bangalore Medical College, 17 from Mysore Medical College, and 26 seats were taken from Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Hubli. When it comes to deemed university allotment, 132 Karnataka students picked Rajarajeshwari Medical College, followed by Sri Siddhartha Tumkur and Bangalore. Many candidates who picked these two colleges are expected not to join these colleges because of the bank guarantee. Because of high competition in top Karnataka deemed university medical colleges like KMC Manipal, Mangalore, JSS Mysore, KS Hegde, SDU Kolar, only less Karnataka students got allotment in these colleges. You can see the number of seats picked in each medical college here and the corresponding closing rank for Karnataka candidates. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Contact admission helpline 044 4631 3330 if you need expert guidance to get best medical college within your budget even if your score is low. See you in the next video.